Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakakat santarik mentau naik tung arjakat kendai. Menteri Sarkar bakmi yakatnat ke kot kekia hakani ke jela Meghalaya uba Alexander L. Heng. Ulayo ban play pajba ya ke kamera intensive care unit ICU ke Batamai ha Civil Hospital Shillong kabaran mentah hadu khat atlik Jingthiah na ke mentah ki Nongpang. Kani ke kamera intensive care unit kedai ke bala penhe na ke barim ke ba muncua ke don tang ru tuli ki Jingthiah bat kani ke ba mentah kedai ru ke bala penbet penbiang rengkat ki kor ki bor thamai kat kum kani ke jok ke ba mentah. Ban kente bat penbit penbiang susu ya kini ke ICU ha Civil Hospital Shillong. Labai tingka lengba ke state plan jong ke special plan assistant ha ke jinglot ke bakon saw point arpenyo kror tingka. Ha kini jelang play ya kini kamera ICU ke Batamai kabaran khat artli Jingthiah lai don rengkat ru u secretary jong ke sarkar u bakmi yakatnat health and family welfare jong ke sarkar jela u Praveen Bakshi bat ki wei de ki he officer jong katnat ke kot ke khia.
Due to the patient's load and the wants of ICU services of many patients, this was made functional on 28 March 2019 to cater to the needs of patients admitted in Shillong Civil Hospital. As I could gather, this ICU is well equipped with all the latest technology for patients' care, needing specialized patients' care and interventions. This ICU has been set up from the state plan under the SPA Special Plan Assistance. An amount of rupees 4 crore 27 lakhs was sanctioned. So far, 97 patients have been admitted in this ICU. Before we going to inaugurate, already been treated of 97 patients in this ICU. This government is committed to provide the best optimum health care to our citizens, and I'm sure that the ICU facilities here will ensure the quality services are made available at a very affordable and minimal cost, especially to the sick and the needy. And also we have to think for the poorest of the poor people who cannot afford to be admitted in the ICU and also in the hospital, particularly in the private hospital, which we have to give them at not at the minimum price, but at the free of cost. Also, we have to be treated to them. I'm also very happy that it's also included in the MHIS, which is very immensely contributed for the health of the people who have come for the treatment under this hospital, and particularly in the ICU. This hospital being the state referral hospital, I am definitely that our people will be greatly benefited out of this.